Welcome back, travelers. This is part 2 of your introduction to your web payment site. Here you'll see some information. If you have questions that you need to ask the help desk, you would access that here by clicking this. We just ask that you fill out anything with a red asterisk here. And then you would click submit at the bottom. And if you wanted to access your traveler's resource site and look up any information, you can click this button or down here. If you wanted to see before accessing the help desk, if you could answer some of your frequently asked questions, we've made a little list of questions that come in. You can ask them here. And it's also good to ask your group leader. They might have the answer as well. But let's move forward, grab your passport, and let's view and edit everybody that's signed up under your name. So this is kind of where we left off. We had filled in first and last name, and my passport has my middle name as Jane. My birth date looks good. Anything in gray, if you need to make any edits to that, you will have to reach our help desk. From this page, you can access the help desk from right here, down at the bottom. All right, any dietary needs, helpful there. And any mobility issues, you can fill those out here. And if you have a food allergy that isn't listed, you can fill this out here by clicking, or writing allergic to apples or whatever it is that you are allergic to. Next, we ask that you fill out an address. Like that. And if you scroll down, this is when you need to grab your passport and have it ready to fill out some information. You're going to put your passport number here, and the expiration date, and it's year, month, day, and your passport country and the citizenship on your passport. Once that's all filled in and accurate, you can press save to move forward. This just lets you know that your information is saved and secure. If you have any questions for the help desk, you can access them here. Moving forward to your packages and options, we're going to click this blue button, and this is a good place to review anything. Unfortunately, you can't change the land and air package to a land package here. You would have to ask the help desk to move forward with that. But if you wanted to click a single supplement, you could add that here. I'm not going to today, but we're going to move forward by clicking save. And it just shows that all of this was saved. If you wanted to go back to the home page, you can do that, or back to packages here. Let's move forward with payment. Here's our payment page. You can select any of the following here, or if you wanted to put an amount, you can click that here. Here's where our terms and conditions are. You have to accept those to move forward, so take some time to read those. This is where you would have to click. They're also listed down here, and then we would proceed to a payment. Here's where you would fill in your payment information, and then you would click Pay Installment. Credit card, codes, the expiration date, etc. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Bye.